I usually wake up feeling refreshed when I go to bed early. I usually wake up feeling refreshed when I go to bed early. Lately, I've been feeling more energetic since I started exercising regularly. Lately, I've been feeling more energetic since I started exercising regularly. Some mornings, my body feels heavy and slow. Some mornings, my body feels heavy and slow. I try to stretch every day to keep my muscles flexible. I try to stretch every day to keep my muscles flexible. Drinking enough water helps me stay focused. Drinking enough water helps me stay focused. When I skip breakfast, I feel tired by mid-morning. When I skip breakfast, I feel tired by mid-morning. I feel much better after getting a full night's sleep. I feel much better after getting a full night's sleep. Cold weather sometimes makes my joints feel stiff. Cold weather sometimes makes my joints feel stiff. I feel more alert after taking a short walk outside. I feel more alert after taking a short walk outside. A busy schedule can leave me feeling worn out. A busy schedule can leave me feeling worn out. I've had a dull headache since this morning. I've had a dull headache since this morning. My lower back hurts after sitting for too long. My lower back hurts after sitting for too long. My neck feels stiff from looking at screens all day. My neck feels stiff from looking at screens all day. I sometimes get sharp pains in my knees. I sometimes get sharp pains in my knees. My shoulders feel tense after stressful days. My shoulders feel tense after stressful days. I twisted my ankle while walking yesterday. I twisted my ankle while walking yesterday. My wrists feel sore from typing constantly. My wrists feel sore from typing constantly. I get muscle pain after intense workouts. I get muscle pain after intense workouts. My feet ache after standing for hours. My feet ache after standing for hours. I feel pressure behind my eyes when I'm tired. I feel pressure behind my eyes when I'm tired. I've had a sore throat for 3 days. I've had a sore throat for 3 days. My nose has been blocked since yesterday. My nose has been blocked since yesterday. I keep sneezing because of my allergies. I keep sneezing because of my allergies. I feel dizzy when I stand up too quickly. I feel dizzy when I stand up too quickly. I've been coughing a lot this week. I've been coughing a lot this week. My temperature feels higher than normal. My temperature feels higher than normal. I've lost my appetite recently. I've lost my appetite recently. I feel weak whenever I have a cold. I feel weak whenever I have a cold. My stomach feels unsettled today. My stomach feels unsettled today. I've been feeling slightly nauseous. I've been feeling slightly nauseous. I booked an appointment with my GP this morning. I booked an appointment with my GP this morning. The doctor asked me detailed questions about my symptoms. The doctor asked me detailed questions about my symptoms. I had a blood test last week. I had a blood test last week. The nurse checked my blood pressure. The nurse checked my blood pressure. I'm waiting for my test results. I'm waiting for my test results. The doctor prescribed some tablets for the pain. The doctor prescribed some tablets for the pain. I went for a health checkup recently. I went for a health checkup recently. The clinic was very busy today. The clinic was very busy today. The specialist explained my condition clearly. The specialist explained my condition clearly. I'm due for another checkup next month. I'm due for another checkup next month. I've been feeling anxious about my health lately. I've been feeling anxious about my health lately. Stress sometimes makes me feel exhausted. Stress sometimes makes me feel exhausted. I try to relax when I feel overwhelmed. I try to relax when I feel overwhelmed. Lack of sleep affects my mood badly. Lack of sleep affects my mood badly. I feel calmer after practicing deep breathing. I feel calmer after practicing deep breathing. I've been feeling low for no clear reason. I've been feeling low for no clear reason. Talking to friends helps me feel better. Talking to friends helps me feel better. I try not to worry too much about small problems. I try not to worry too much about small problems. Exercise improves my mental well-being. Exercise improves my mental well-being. I feel proud when I take care of myself. I feel proud when I take care of myself. I go for a brisk walk every evening. I go for a brisk walk every evening. I've started lifting light weights at home. I've started lifting light weights at home. Stretching helps prevent injuries. Stretching helps prevent injuries. I try to stay active even on busy days. I try to stay active even on busy days. Swimming is gentle on my joints. Swimming is gentle on my joints. I'm working on improving my stamina. I'm working on improving my stamina. I feel stronger than I did last year. I feel stronger than I did last year. I warm up before exercising. I warm up before exercising. Rest days are important for recovery. Rest days are important for recovery. Regular movement keeps my body flexible. Regular movement keeps my body flexible. I try to eat balanced meals every day. I try to eat balanced meals every day. I've reduced my sugar intake recently. I've reduced my sugar intake recently. Fresh fruit gives me natural energy. Fresh fruit gives me natural energy. I avoid fast food during the week. I avoid fast food during the week. I'm learning to control my portion sizes. I'm learning to control my portion sizes. Drinking green tea helps me relax. Drinking green tea helps me relax. I eat more vegetables than I used to. I eat more vegetables than I used to. Skipping meals affects my concentration. Skipping meals affects my concentration. I read labels before buying food. I read labels before buying food. Healthy snacks stop me from overeating. Healthy snacks stop me from overeating. I struggle to fall asleep when I'm stressed. I struggle to fall asleep when I'm stressed. A dark room helps me sleep better. A dark room helps me sleep better. I avoid using my phone before bed. I avoid using my phone before bed. Power naps help me recharge. Power naps help me recharge. I feel restless when I don't sleep enough. I feel restless when I don't sleep enough. A regular bedtime improves my routine. A regular bedtime improves my routine. Noise can disturb my sleep easily. Noise can disturb my sleep easily. I wake up feeling refreshed on weekends. I wake up feeling refreshed on weekends. I need more rest after busy weeks. I need more rest after busy weeks. Quality sleep boosts my immune system. Quality sleep boosts my immune system. I've stopped drinking fizzy drinks. I've stopped drinking fizzy drinks. I'm trying to quit unhealthy habits. I'm trying to quit unhealthy habits. Sitting less has improved my posture. Sitting less has improved my posture. I take regular breaks from screens. I take regular breaks from screens. I spend more time outdoors now. I spend more time outdoors now. I limit caffeine in the evening. I limit caffeine in the evening. I've cut down on late night snacking. I've cut down on late night snacking. I plan my meals in advance. I plan my meals in advance. Small changes make a big difference. Small changes make a big difference. I'm building healthier routines gradually. I'm building healthier routines gradually. I'm recovering well after my recent illness. I'm recovering well after my recent illness. My strength is slowly returning. My strength is slowly returning. I'm proud of my progress so far. I'm proud of my progress so far. I feel more confident about my health now. I feel more confident about my health now. Setting small goals keeps me motivated. Setting small goals keeps me motivated. I track my habits to stay consistent. I track my habits to stay consistent. I've learned to listen to my body. I've learned to listen to my body. I'm aiming to feel fitter this year. I'm aiming to feel fitter this year. Good health allows me to enjoy life more. Good health allows me to enjoy life more. I'm committed to looking after myself long term. I'm committed to looking after myself long term.